lights in the sky so faint they glow. Stars whisper secrets as breezes blow. Dreams take the shape of things unknown. In night's embrace, peace finds a home. Misty mornings hush the dawn. Silence sings a quiet song. Rivers flow, it calls to me in gentle waves, tranquility. Whispers in the wind, they guide me through the echoes of a dream. In the night my shadows find me, feel the magic in the serene. Moonlight dances on the sea. Waves caress the shore tenderly. Branches sway in silent prayer. Nature's lullaby fills the air.